creating beautiful and functional living spaces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. We all dream of those crystal clear waters and white sand vibes of a luxury getaway, but what if you could experience that every single day? Today we are diving deep into the world of resort-style pool design. We'll explore what makes a pool feel like a 5-star destination, the benefits of upgrading your outdoor space, and the specific items you need to achieve this high-end look. Stick around until the end as we reveal our top 10 stunning pool inspirations based on the latest design trends. A resort-style pool design is more than just a place to swim. It is a holistic approach to outdoor architecture that prioritizes atmosphere, luxury, and relaxation. Unlike a standard rectangular swimming pool, a resort-style design focuses on experiential features. This means incorporating organic shapes, multi-sensory elements like the sound of falling water, integrated lighting, and dedicated zones for lounging, dining, and socializing. It aims to blur the lines between the indoors and outdoors, creating a seamless transition that mimics the effortless elegance of a high-end hotel in Bali, the Mediterranean, or the Caribbean. The benefits of installing a resort-style pool go far beyond simple aesthetics or property value. Primarily, it serves as a powerful sanctuary for mental health and wellness, providing a private escape from the stresses of daily life right in your own backyard. These designs often encourage more staycations, saving you the cost and hassle of travel while providing a premium space for hosting friends and family. Furthermore, because these pools are designed with integrated seating and shallow tanning ledges, they cater to all ages and activities, whether it's a high-energy pool party or a quiet afternoon with a book. Physically, the inclusion of features like spas and lap zones promotes a healthier, more active lifestyle in a beautiful environment. To make your resort-style pool look truly exceptional, you must focus on the surrounding landscape and the materials used. Start by choosing a cohesive color palette. Natural stone pavers such as travertine or slate provide a timeless and expensive feel compared to standard concrete. Lush, layered landscaping is essential. Think tall palms for height, ornamental grasses for texture, and flowering shrubs for a pop of color. To elevate the resort feel, use symmetrical furniture layouts and high-quality outdoor textiles that match your home's interior. Lighting is the final wow factor. Using a mix of underwater LED lights, path lighting, and soft uplighting on trees will create a magical, ethereal glow that makes the space look even better at night than it does during the day. Achieving this look requires a few key hero items that signal luxury. First and foremost, Baja shelves, or tanning ledges, are a must-have, allowing you to place partially submerged lounge chairs directly in the water. For the surrounding area, look for oversized daybeds with weather-resistant canopies and high-end wicker or teak dining sets. Fire features such as stone fire pits or modern fire bowls perched on the edge of the pool provide a dramatic elemental contrast with the water. Additionally, consider functional luxury items like an outdoor kitchen or a swim-up bar, which keep the entertainment centered around the water. Finally, don't forget the smaller details: high-quality outdoor umbrellas, plush oversized towels, and stylish planters to frame the space. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's explore some inspiring ideas for incorporating ideas into your project. Here these the compilation of the top 10 best resort-style pool design ideas to inspire you for your next project. One, exotic nightfall retreat. This design highlights the power of evening ambience. With a grand high-ceilinged pavilion reflecting in the still water and traditional lanterns lighting the path, this pool area feels like a royal palace retreat. The dark, patterned pool tiles add a layer of mystery and depth. 2. Geometric modernism. For those who love symmetry, this rectangular pool with an integrated square spa is a masterclass in modern geometry. The light-colored stone tiling and the submerged floating loungers create a clean, crisp look that feels incredibly organized and upscale. 3. The Tropical Jungle Sanctuary. This design features a stunning green-tiled pool that perfectly mimics the natural hues of a rainforest. Surrounded by lush, dense palm trees and exotic greenery, the wooden deck offers a warm, organic contrast. It's a perfect example of how to use edge-of-the-wilderness aesthetics to create a private hidden gem vibe. 4. Lakeside Fire and Stone. This pool takes inspiration from nature with massive rock waterfalls and integrated fire bowls. The sunken loungers in the shallow end allow you to stay cool while watching the sunset over the adjacent lake, creating a perfect harmony between man-made luxury and natural beauty. 5. Desert Oasis at Dusk. Set against a backdrop of majestic saguaro cacti, this design uses sharp, clean lines and a central fire pit to create a high-drama environment. The strategic use of warm yellow lighting against the cool blue of the pool creates a sophisticated atmosphere perfect for desert or arid climates. 6. Mediterranean Arched Elegance. Featuring a white stucco exterior with grand arches, this design brings the spirit of the Spanish coast to your home. The irregular, curved pool shape is softened by potted flowers and a classic wooden pergola, offering a bright and airy space for afternoon siestas. 7. The Ultimate Family Water Park. Who says luxury can't be fun? This expansive design incorporates a stone-clad water slide, a built-in hot tub, and even a poolside basketball hoop. The sun medallion floor tile and the varied lounging zones make this the gold standard for a home that loves to entertain both kids and adults. 8. Oceanfront Minimalist Chic. Simplistic beauty at its best. This infinity pool overlooks the ocean, using a neutral color palette and an open-air lounge to ensure nothing blocks the sea breeze. The use of warm wood and soft white furniture creates a calming zen environment that is hard to beat. 9. Balinese Pavilion Paradise. This design utilizes traditional Balinese architecture with thatched roof gazebos and a long lap-style pool. The stone stepping stones across the grass and the integration of the indoor-outdoor living rooms make this feel like a private villa in Ubud. 10. The Modern Infinity Horizon. Perched atop a hill, this infinity pool seems to spill over into the lush valley below. The minimalist dark tile and the sleek white loungers on a rich wood deck emphasize the view, making the scenery the star of the show. It's the epitome of high-end modern architectural design. Creating a resort-style pool is about more than just construction. It's about designing a lifestyle. Whether you prefer the lush, overgrown look of a tropical jungle or the sharp, clean lines of a modern infinity edge, the goal is to create a space that moves you. Your home is your sanctuary, and by investing in a thoughtful outdoor living area, you are ensuring that your days are filled with the beauty and tranquility you deserve. If you found these designs inspiring, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for your weekly dose of luxury home inspiration. Which of our top 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Are you a fan of the Balinese villas or the modern infinity overlooks? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. you.